Hello, good evening, everybody. I do welcome you all guys to a brand new video. In today's video, we are starting a new topic that is very important, and that is basically related to botany, the study of plants. And even though you can say that this is the base of the botany, like we are studying the photosynthesis, and this is the part one, and I will be giving you the overview of the photosynthesis. Like here, I would highlight today's topic. This is part one. Do not take tension that we won't cover any topic. We will cover every topic, but first of all, we need to clear out the base and make the concept of how the system works. So I would be taking it different, kind of differently. First of all, uh, let's look into the definition. Uh, while right now you may not understand that, and I would be not telling you directly definition. I'm just giving you the overview definition that photosynthesis, break down the word simply, it consists of the photo photo and synthesis, means synthesis from the light. Photo is, is directing us towards the light, the photon, and we are synthesizing something from the help of light. And the photosynthesis is a phenomena, is a process in which cell, uh, you know the plant carries out this process in order to survive and make its own food, and that is the reason the plant is called as an autotroph organism, due to the reason that it carries out the photosynthesis. Right now I'm not going into deep what photosynthesis is. Directly I'm showing you a diagram to make you understand what things are happening, and we will be comparing the respiration and the photosynthesis in this video, basically to understand what's happening throughout the photosynthesis. Okay, first of all, if you talk about humans, uh, humans eat glucose, right? uh, Let me write it: C6H12O6. We eat this in our bread, peas, or something else. We eat this, and after this, this will get converted under the glycolysis, right? Under the glycolysis, it would get converted into pyruvate. Pyruvate. Okay. So this is the thing. Like you eat glucose, then it will get converted into a substance that is called as pyruvate, and this is very common. And this is happening with you, not with the plants. Yes, this is also happening in the plants as well. We're talking it later on. Uh, Right now, just consider yourself as an example of it. First of all, this thing has got formed from the glucose that you have eaten. Then this thing will enter into the Krebs cycle. I'm not teaching you the cellular respiration. I'm just making you the concept. Just uh, understand what I'm saying. Here is a cycle, Krebs cycle going on. You just not need to remember this. Just make the concept. There is a cycle, Krebs cycle going on, because this is a completely different topic. Hopefully, this topic will be coming in future as well. While this is the Krebs cycle, which is going on in the mitochondria of the cell, and what's happening in this is uh, this pyruvate would enter in this. Okay, pyruvate got entered in it, and on the wall of the mitochondria you have got the electron transport chain, that is ETC, the electron transport chain, right? Now what will happen is this, that uh, in the result of Krebs cycle, what will form is I'm mentioning over here. Okay, so in result of it, I'm not describing the whole process set, I'm just describing the results. The pyruvate will enter the Krebs cycle, and ATP are produced. ATPs are produced, and along with that, uh, waste substance of the reaction, or you can say something else, that is produced, that is CO2. This is the summary of the Krebs cycle, which is going on in mitochondria. The glucose you have eaten gone through the glycolysis and forms pyruvate and the pyruvate enters the mitochondria for the Krebs cycle, and result of Krebs cycle we've got ATP and CO2. ATP is of course consumable, but what happens with this CO2? I have just this question, basic simple question, where this CO2 goes. Now here, uh, in case of now just listen very carefully. In case of humans, in case of humans uh, humans will take it to the environment. Humans will take it to environment. Humans will take it to environment. We exhale carbon dioxide. While this is not the same case in the in the what we say in the plants, this is very amazing thing. Like they are not, uh, you know, they are not wasting the environment. They are consuming this carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide is being consumed with the photosynthesis. And this is how wonderful organism a plant is. It is making its own food with the help of the CO2 present over here. So let me move forward. Uh, for the photosynthesis, this thing I would like to state. Uh, okay, let's uh, let's let's differentiate it more easily for you guys. In animals, right? Now let me copy all this. Okay, okay, wonderful. I will take a minute. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, okay. Yeah, this time it's perfect. Okay, here we are. This is second one, and this is first one. Here we have uh, in animals. Now what we see in the plants, here I do started. uh, Here it was a glucose, right? Okay, leave it. In plants, here is the plants, and here we have got C6H12O6, O6, right? And here we have got in plants the same case in animals. uh, this CO2, just focuses on this CO2. This is being released in the environment. But let's look into the plants. uh, by minimizing the screen till the plant section. Okay, right here. Now what will happen, let me do something else now. Okay. Okay, now let me introduce a new thing over here. Just finding good space here. Here is the sun, beautiful sun over here, right? Here is beautiful sun. And uh, in plants what's happening is this, like we have got organelle, that is the chloroplast. I'm not writing the complete name. Chloroplast is an organelle, like as like mitochondria. And what happens is this, uh, this this is just photosynthesis. I'm just explaining you right now, just focus on it. The light will fall on it, the light will fall on it, and a reaction will take place. And uh, light will fall on it, then this CO2, this would be not taking that. In humans, leave it. In plants, let's suppose plants environment not, the CO2 will be taken into the chloroplast. And this is the amazing thing of amazing nature of the plants. The CO2 is taken into the plants, and a reaction goes on over here. uh, that is like this: CO2 plus H2O plus H2O. This will produce C6H12O6 plus O2. C6H12O6O2. This is glucose plus O2. Right, this O2 is produced, and this is uh, into the environment. Now just compare these both charts, like what plant has did. It is using the waste which we are doing. Even though I would like to include a point over here, even this CO2 is less. uh, this is the environment, and here you have got CO2 in the environment. Then this will take in into this, and in result, what we are finding O2. How wonderful the process is, how wonderful the nature is. Like, if the CO2 is less from the result of the cellular respiration, then the CO2 is taken from the environment, and in result we are finding the oxygen, that is the survival for us, and that is wonderful. Okay, this was the concept. I do hope that I just wanted to state that this phase, this second phase after the that happened in the chloroplast, that is photosynthesis. And this is not like that simple. Photosynthesis is kind of having more steps into it. Hopefully we discuss in our future. That was just to make you the concept and how wonderful the plant is, how photosynthesis is going on. This is the result of O2, and glucose is a result. Both are wonderful compounds. The one is for the survival energy source for the plant, and one is good for us. And yes, that is how it works. I do hope that you've got it. Did do like the video. Meet you guys in the next video. Till that, goodbye.